The secret to fast hair growth that you've been ransacking internet, surfing the web, looking for solutions to your hair horrors and problems lies in your kitchen cabinet. I say this with all sincerity. I say this with all seriousness because I have grown my hair so lush, healthy, dark, bushy, voluminous with what I have in my kitchen. Simple ingredients that God has blessed us with. Herbs, roots, seeds, all from Mother Nature is what I use to grow my hair this lush up to tailbone length. I know you may be surprised. My hair length is at tailbone length. My hair is at my tail. All right. I may not be able to show you because I'm just the one who is trying to pull my hair down all by myself. But I'll be able to show you guys when I get somebody to help me pull my hair down accurately so you guys can see. To some of you who always comment and say, Dima, your hair is always at the same length year in, year out, is because I don't always show you guys my length. I don't always pull my hair down for you guys to see my length. My hair is always in its shrunken state that I always wear it in. Chunky twists that you guys always see. You guys may be thinking that this herbal ingredients or herbal recipes that I share on this channel are not working or they are not worth it. I am trying to show off my length today on today's video so you guys can see that I've not been wasting my time. And everything that I share with you guys are 100% potent. They work. The only problem with most of you is lack of consistency. Consistency is key. So let's move to today's recipe. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a super potent herbal hairspray with 4 powerful ingredients. My first ingredient is fenugreek seeds, and I'm going to be using the proportion 1 tablespoon of that, which I transferred into my jar. Moving on to the second ingredient, I have moringa powder, and I'm going to be measuring that in 1 tablespoon as well. Next up is rosemary leaves. These are the dried version, and I'm going to be measuring that out in 1 tablespoon as well. You can go high or low depending on the quantity you want to make. And then my fourth ingredient is hibiscus flowers. 3 dried flowers are just what are perfect for this proportion that I'm making. Then boil up some water to 100 degrees Celsius. Pour about 500 ml worth into all these measured out ingredients in your jar. Strain that after 12 hours of infusion and then transfer that into your spray bottle and is ready for use. So this is me trying to spray this on my hair. There are 2 ways you can use this herbal hairspray. You can use it as a leave-in. Apply it from your root to your tips and then apply your leave-in conditioner. Seal with your hair growth oil, hair butter or hair grease. I suggest you use more of hair grease because they are excellent sealants. They seal perfectly well, and if you think that I'm wrong, please let me know in the comment section below. Have you tried hair grease? I've made a couple on this channel. Have you tried hair grease? Have you tried hair butter before? Which do you think is the best? To me, I feel hair grease is the best. So, sealing all that goodness to your hair. This will help strengthen your hair. It will help your hair to thicken up, grow healthy, and more luscious. it will darken your hair because of the hibiscus. Just so you know, hibiscus helps my hair to be dark. For those of you asking or thinking maybe I use dye, no, I use hibiscus to darken my hair. When you check my channel, you see that most of my herbal hair teas contain hibiscus, and I use all these and they help my hair to be dark. I have had a couple of you share feedbacks with me saying that your hair is darker from using the herbal teas that we share on this channel. So this recipe is for you. Instead of you to be surprised or looking for the one to concentrate with, you can start with this. If you're not sure which one to start with, you can start with this. Now, if you're using this as your tea rinse, especially on your wash day, you can apply this after your deep conditioner, then wait for 30 minutes, then you rinse out. It is going to do your hair a lot of good. It's going to minimize your dandruff, your scalp itchiness. It is going to help you retain length. It is going to help you minimize split ends and knots if you're consistent with it. If you're using it as a leave-in, ensure you apply this 3 times a week, 2 to 3 times a week. Apply it and then make sure to follow up with your leave-in conditioner and then seal. Do not just apply this and go your way. Make sure to follow up with leave-in conditioner. That way it's not going to make your hair stiff, as most of you are complaining. It is because you're not using a good leave-in conditioner to moisturize. This product is amazing. I have been using it for years and the result is evident in my hair. That most of you don't see my length, you only see my chunky twist, does not mean that my hair is not growing. It doesn't mean that my hair is stuck at same hair length. If I had told you guys that I'm at waist length or I'm at tailbone length, some of you will not be able to believe me. You would doubt me. If not that I showed you guys on camera today. Your hair is growing. Even despite my trimmings, I trim every 3 months. That's about how many times in a year? That's about 4 times in a year. That's when I trim, how I trim my hair. Despite my trimmings, my hair still grew to tailbone length. Here is my tip to you: pursue length and every other thing will follow. When your hair is healthy, your hair will grow. Please stop holding on to scraggly ends. Trim your hair when you should. It will not stop it from growing. Thank you for watching. Like this video and I will see you on my next one shortly.